In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use DocuSign step by step, whether you want to send a document for signature or sign a document yourself. DocuSign is one of the most popular electronic signature platforms in the world, and once you understand the basics, it becomes incredibly easy to use for contracts, agreements, forms, and more. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow software guides. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to apps.docusign.com. This will take you to the DocuSign homepage. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by clicking on Sign Up and following the registration steps. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the DocuSign dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Start button. This is where you begin any new action inside DocuSign. After clicking Start, you'll see a few options depending on what you want to do. If you want to send a document to someone else to get their signature, click on Get Signatures. This option allows you to upload a document and request signatures from one or more recipients. After clicking Get Signatures, you'll be prompted to upload your file. You can drag and drop your document directly into the upload area or click Upload to select a file from your computer. DocuSign supports common file formats like PDF, Word documents, and more. Once your document is uploaded, the next step is to add recipients. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. If multiple people need to sign, you can add them in the correct signing order. After adding recipients, click Next. Now you'll be taken to the document editor. This is where you place the signature fields and any other required fields onto the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options like signature, date signed, name, and text. Drag the signature field onto the area of the document where the recipient needs to sign. You can also drag a date signed field so the date is automatically recorded. Make sure every required signer has the correct fields assigned to them. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email the recipients with a secure link where they can review and sign the document electronically. You'll be able to track the status directly from your dashboard and see when the document has been viewed and completed. Now, let's say you don't need to send a document, but instead you just want to sign a document yourself. From the Start menu, click on Sign a Document. This option is used when you need to electronically sign a file without sending it out for others to sign. After clicking Sign a Document, upload the file you want to sign. Once it loads in the editor, click on the signature field and place it where your signature should appear. If this is your first time signing, DocuSign will ask you to create a signature. You can draw it with your mouse, type your name and choose a signature style, or upload an image of your signature. Once you confirm, place the signature onto the document. After placing your signature, click Finish. Your signed document will be saved, and you can download it to your computer or share it as needed. And that's it. That's how to use DocuSign to either send documents for signatures or sign documents yourself. As you can see, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click and how to place the signature fields properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.